Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the exact files and folder where Berry Avenue decals live. First, back up the original decal files so you can revert if needed. Next, pick replacement images in PNG at 1024 by 1024 or scaled proportionally. Transparency matters for overlays. Once done, confirm you have an asset manager or direct file access and that the game is closed. This prevents cache conflicts and file locks. Make sure file names match the originals to avoid Now you replace the decals using a safe, consistent method. Rename each new PNG to match the original decal file names exactly so the game engine finds them automatically. Do not change extensions. Then copy into the same folder structure. Use an asset manager to avoid mistakes or drag and drop if you know the path. Once files are in place, clear compiled caches or run the tool's rebuild assets function. This forces the game to read the new images instead of old cached ones. Finish by testing the changes directly on Berry Avenue. Open the game and visit a nearby test spot to check decal scale, alignment, and transparency. Small tweaks to image anchors or dimensions often solve placement issues. If something looks off, close the game, adjust the image or file name, and rebuild the cache again. For persistent problems, verify there are no typos in names, the files are in the correct folder, or a stray cache file remains. If corruption occurs, restore your backup and repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.